The United States military is planning to turn to autonomous systems to counter China's numerical edge in terms of personnel and weaponry, a senior defense official said. US Deputy Secretary of Defense Kathleen Hicks told a military technology conference in Washington, D.C. on Monday that the imperative to innovate was crucial at a time of strategic competition with China, a rival who Hicks described as being very difficult to the relatively slow and lumbering competitors the US faced during the Cold War. So, what is the Pentagon planning to do? The Pentagon is planning to field thousands of drones and other high-tech military equipment within the next 2 years. In her speech, Hicks said that while the US forces were engaged in fighting for 20 years in Iraq and Afghanistan, the People's Republic of China worked with focus and determination to build a modern military, carefully crafting it to blunt the operational advantages US enjoyed for decades. In a candid address that highlighted Washington's view of the military threat posed by China and its ability to outskill the US military, Hicks said the US maintained an advantage owing to its ability to imagine, create, and master the future character of warfare. Beijing's main military advantage is mass. More ships, more missiles, more people, she said. The US goal is to field attritable autonomous systems at scale of multiple thousands in multiple domains within the next 18 to 24 months, Hicks said. Deploying autonomous systems in all domains will be less expensive and put fewer people in the line of fire, she added. In a periodic assessment of US defense needs and priorities, the Pentagon in October declared China a pacing challenge and said that an urgent strengthening of deterrence against Beijing was necessary. The National Defense Strategy and China would remain the US's most consequential strategic competitor for the coming decades. The release of the strategy assessment came just weeks after the White House issued a national security strategy, which also described China as a major challenger that had both the intent to reshape the international order and increasingly the economic, diplomatic, military, and technological power to do it. Washington is particularly concerned by China's ability and intent to refashion the Indo-Pacific region amid its claims in the South China Sea and its promise to reunite independent and democratically ruled Taiwan with mainland China by force if necessary. The strategic goal is to compel China's leadership to reckon with the consequences of aggression on a daily basis, thereby prompting stability and deterring potential conflicts in the Indo-Pacific region. This strategic pivot by the Pentagon is a direct response to China's assertive ambitions, particularly its territorial claims in the South China Sea and its determination to reunify Taiwan with the mainland, even if that requires the use of force. This robust approach aligns with previous assessments that labeled China as a pacing challenge and emphasized the immediate need to enhance deterrence against Beijing.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.